I'm Heather from Treasures by Heather. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a magic ring, or also known as a magic circle. We're going to be doing this yellow one right in here. Keep an eye out for a future video on how to make this daisy granny square. This granny square is perfect for the spring. You can use it with afghans and also really cool little bags. The magic ring seems pretty hard, but it's not. The first thing you want to do is you want to pinch your yarn like this and wrap it around your finger so that when it comes around, it makes kind of an X under your fingers, and make sure you continue behind the first one. You're going to take your hook and you're going to put it under the first one and grab the second one and pull it under the first one. When I pull it, I like to turn it, and you see here how it makes a twist. With this twist, you're going to be making a chain. So, first I pinch everything from the hook all the way down into this circle area right here. Then I put my hand in my yarn the way I like to hold it, just like you should, and you're going to switch your pinch with your middle finger and your thumb that you usually hold your yarn with. Tighten it up and then do that chain one. Yarn over, go through the loop on your hook. Now, you need to rotate the circle to the left. Make sure that tail and the side of the circle are together. I then like to pinch it, and I create my own little gap here. You're going to take your hook, go under the side of the circle and the tail, put your hook on top of the yarn, and turn it under and come right back through that circle and pull up. Now you have two loops. Yarn over, pull through both. We're going to do 8 of these. Go back under the circle, the left side of the circle and the tail. Grab your yarn and pull it back up through the circle. You got 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, come through both. I eventually like to scoop my fingers up so that my finger is pinching right below that first stitch. Now we're going to be doing our third. Back into the circle, under the left side of the circle and the tail. Yarn over, turn it up, pull through both. A little bit closer. We're going to go into the circle, yarn over, doing a single crochet, turn over, go through both. I will come back when the circle is complete so you can see it finished. Okay, so I have my 8 stitches in here. You can see them along this right side. What you're going to do now is I like to kind of hold where the stitches are so that they don't twist around the circle when I start to pull the tail to close it. You're going to hold it and gently pull the tail so that that circle starts to close. See here? Now, don't pull it too tight because you want to be able to get your hook under this first stitch right here if you're doing continuous rounds. You want to make sure to put your hook under both loops here. Do your yarn over, go through both. And that's your first stitch. Now, if you're doing joining rounds, what you're going to do is you're going to go into that first stitch, do a slip stitch, pull that loop through the loop on your hook, and then chain 1. Then you would go right back into the same stitch and do another single crochet. This would count as 1 and this would count as 2 if you were doing the increase to 12 stitches around, or whatever number you're doing. So if I had 8 stitches here like I completed, I would have 16 stitches in round 2. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you.